in Python to input a 3-digit number and print the sum of digits using arithmetical operator, not using loop. Enter 3-digit number. Let, for example, n equal to 253. Let n equal to 253. Then we have to find each digit. This is your unit digit, this is your 10 digit, this is your 100 digit. Now unit digit. How can you find unit digit? Unit digit equal to n modulus 10. Unit digit equal to n modulus 10. That means, you see, when you divide the number, this is your 253 is the number, divided by 10. 10 2 ja is your 200. 10 2 ja your 20. Then this is your 5, 53. 10 5 ja 50. So your remainder is 3. This is your remainder part. That is, remainder means here, this is your n modulus 10. Remainder means this is your n modulus 10. And 25 is your quotient part. That is n floor division. N floor division 10. N floor division 10. That is quotient part. This is your quotient part q, and this is your remainder part. N modulus 10 means here how much? 3. 3 is your n modulus 10. And a equal to n floor division 10. That means a is your 25. Now see, a is your 25. Here see, a equal to now 25. Then again t. T is your 10 plus t equal to n modulus 10. A modulus 10. This is a modulus 10. A is 25. 25 divided by 10. This is remainder. Remainder is 5. So t equal to a modulus 10. That is our 10 plus. This is. Then unit plus 10 plus 100 plus. 100 plus h. H equal to a floor division 10. A floor division 10. That is quotient part. This one 2. Quotient part is 2. So this is 100 plus. Now we get unit digit, 10 digit and 100 digit. Then you see, a equal to u is the n modulus 10. That is unit digit. A equal to n floor division 10. That means quotient part. T equal to a modulus 10. That is your 10 plus h equal to a floor division 10. That is your 100 plus digit. Now s equal to unit digit plus 10 digit plus 100 digit. Print the sum equal to s. Output will be enter number 253. The sum equal to 10. Again enter number 546. The sum equal to 15. See, this is the program. This is your n equal to int input, enter a number. Now u is the unit digit, t is the 10 digit, 10 plus digit, and h is the 100 plus digit. Now s equal to unit digit plus 10 plus digit plus 100 digit, that is equal to the sum equal to s print. Now come to the output. File, save, output. Save, then run. Enter a number. Let the number is here 234. Sum equal to 9. 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 4 9. Again run. Enter a number. Let the run. Enter number. Let the number is 4 5 7. The sum equal to 16. 4 plus 5 plus 7. 9 plus 7 16.